time to make some birch polypore tea. Another thing that's good for teas are pine needles, so I might stick some of these in as well, just to add a bit of flavour to my tea. Add in my mushrooms and some pine needles for flavourings, and there we have nature's tea on its way. And now for the taste test. That's really good. So much better than having your own teas. Why not pick some mushrooms, pick some pine needles, make yourself a tasty healthy tea. Really good for you, very beneficial. And yeah, I think I'm going to enjoy this now, so I'll catch us later.